In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Teachable Machine to build an image classifier. Teachable Machine is a free, browser-based tool that lets you train an AI to recognize images you show it without writing any code. Everything happens right in your browser, which makes it a great way to prototype ideas, teach concepts, or quickly test whether a simple image classifier will work for your project. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to https://Teachable Machine. With google.com/. On the home page, click Get Started. You'll see a few project types. Choose Image Project, since we're building a classifier for pictures. When prompted for a model type, pick Standard Image Model. This option is designed for general image classification and is the best starting point for most use cases. Next, set up your classes. A class is simply a category you want the AI to recognize, like cat, dog, or different kinds of fruit. Create a class for each category you care about using the Add Class button, and rename them to clear, meaningful names. Good labels help you stay organized and reduce confusion later on. Now it's time to add examples. For each class, you can either upload photos or use your webcam to capture images directly in the browser. Aim for variety. Include different angles, lighting conditions, backgrounds, and sizes so the model learns the essence of the category, not just a single look. Try to keep the number of images balanced across classes so one category doesn't dominate the training. When you're ready, click Train Model. Training runs locally in your browser, so keep the tab open and avoid heavy multitasking during this step. The process may take a little while depending on your computer. You'll see progress indicators as it learns from your examples. Once training finishes, test the model in the preview panel. Point your webcam at an object from one of your classes or drop in a test image. Watch how the predictions update in real time, showing which class the model thinks it sees and with what confidence. If the results aren't accurate enough, add more diverse images to the classes that are confusing the model. Then click Train Model again to improve performance. That's it. You've built an image classifier entirely in your browser using Teachable Machine. With a thoughtful set of examples and a few rounds of training, you can reach surprisingly good accuracy for many everyday tasks.